U.S. Supreme Court ruling released today could impact nearly 2 million military veterans. Court sided with a vet who had been denied trying to use education benefits from separate GI Bills.
In January, WGN's Mike Lowe profiled the man who fought the VA. He reports on the ruling tonight.
With a 7-2 decision, the U.S. Supreme Court ended a 9-year legal battle fought by decorated Army veteran Jim Rudisill. Rudisill sued the Department of Veterans Affairs, saying he was wrongly denied GI Bill education benefits he earned, serving both before and after 9/11.
Congress is very clear in what they intended for the post 9/11 GI Bill statutes to read. And it is if a veteran serves in the post 9/11 era a separate and distinct term of service, they are entitled to post 9/11 GI Bill benefits in their entirety.
But the VA wouldn't let him use his post 9/11 benefits, which would have paid for grad school at Yale, until he had exhausted his pre 9/11 Montgomery Bill benefits, which were far less generous. It cost Rudisill his chance to go to the prestigious Ivy League university. Writing for the majority, Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson called the VA's argument nonsensical and said, quote, "The bottom line is this. Veterans who separately accrue benefits under both the Montgomery and post 9/11 GI Bills are entitled to both benefits." In a dissenting opinion, Justice Clarence Thomas accused the majority of going around Congress. He wrote, "The court ignores Congress in favor of a desired outcome." Attorney Misha Seitlin, a Chicago-based partner for the law firm Troutman Pepper, argued the case pro bono.
Feel more of a weight on your shoulders than even in a normal case because it impacts so many folks, and the folks that not only served the nation, gave so much time to the nation, but those who served the nation longest, because those are the ones that are impacted by our case. Those who live in Illinois, I think, should feel proud that one of their own, was working on this case.
The Department of Veterans Affairs pays out $8 billion in educational benefits every year, an amount that could increase as a result of this ruling.
I did earn these benefits, but yes, this case has taken on a seriousness much deeper than me on my own.
Mike Lowe, WGN News.